A van and 3 boats. That's what Sheila Guo, sister of dismissed Bamban Mayor Alice Guo, told senators they took to leave the country undetected. She detailed their escape route during her first appearance at the Senate subcommittee hearing on their escape.
There were also a few other surprises along the way, including the fact that, as it turns out, Sheila is not really Alice's sister by blood. Sheila was just sent here to the Philippines from China when she was about 16 or 17 years old to work at an embroidery business. Ria Fernandez with a big story tonight.
Alam mo kung saan kayo pupunta?
Hindi po.
Hindi ka nagtatanong?
Tatanong ko, ang sabi niya sa akin, sabi niya ate, nalulungkot ako, samahan mo ako, may pupuntahan ako, sabi niya.
Pero bawal ka magtanong?
Hindi naman sa bawal, hindi siya sinabi sa akin kung saan punta.
Alice Guo's sister Sheila admitted in today's hearing of the Senate Justice Subcommittee that she fled the country with her siblings Alice and Wesley. Sheila said they left their farm in Bamban sometime early July and took a van to an undisclosed port, arriving there around midnight. Sheila said she did not know where exactly they traveled to, but from there, they took a small white boat, then transferred to a larger vessel, and then another smaller seacraft headed to Malaysia. The trip supposedly took 3 to 4 days, and they arrived July 18.
Ilang oras kayo nung maliit na barko bago kayo lumipat sa malaking barko?
Matagal din. Siguro hating gabi kaming sakay, tapos halos umaga na.
Umaga na. Tapos yung malaking barko?
Pero hindi pa masyadong kita yung...
Yung malaking barko, ano siya? Pasaheroan, cargo ship, o fishing ship?
Fishing ship ata, hindi ko alam kasi hindi
So,
ako malo.
fishing ship dahil may nakita kayong mga lambat at mga isda?
Yung lake na panghuli na fish.
Tapos yun na, dumating na kayo ng Malaysia through that boat.
May sasakay pa ulit.
Ha?
May palit pa isang ulit.
Palit pa uli ng isang barko. Anong description ng isang barko na
yung
pinalit?
maliit naman na palang kulay blue or green.
Senators questioned why throughout the trip, Sheila never bothered to ask where they were going.
Tapos sumakay na kayo doon sa bangka na maliit, di ba? Hindi ka pa rin nagtatanong, saan tayo pupunta ate?
Galit siya sa akin, wag daw ako tanungin, basta samahan mo lang. Hindi ko alam kung yun ba yun, basta tanong ko, sabi ko, saan na tayo dito? Saan ba tayo? Ang sabi niya sa akin, Siempen na.
Okay, so at least we know yung
Yun lang
Chinese
po.
name na Siempen na.
Opo, Chinese name
Okay.
po.
Senators tried to piece together where this Siempena is, and they assumed she might be referring to Semporna in Sabah, Malaysia, which would corroborate an earlier assessment by the Bureau of Immigration that the Guo siblings passed through Sabah. Sheila said they stayed in Malaysia for around 4 to 5 days before taking a plane to Singapore. It's not clear how long they stayed in Singapore, but from there, they traveled to Indonesia via ferry and arrived August 18. Sheila said a woman helped process their travels, but that she didn't know this woman nor where she's from. By August 20, Sheila said she and her siblings had parted ways.
Ngayon, natanong ko, nasaan ang kapatid mo?
Hindi ko po alam. Plus, sa Indonesia, hiwalay na po kami. Sabi lang siya sa akin, hiwalay lang muna ate. Tapos, tanong ko siya saan siya punta, sabi niya sa akin, wag daw ako alamin.
The Bureau of Immigration said that based on their latest information, Alice Guo has transferred from Batam to Jakarta, Indonesia. The agency is still working with their Indonesian counterparts to have Alice Guo deported back to the Philippines as soon as possible. Apart from tracking down the Guo's escape, senators now also have more reason to question Alice Guo's citizenship after her sister admitted having arrived in the Philippines from China only in 2001, when she was around 16 or 17 years old, even though it says on her passport she was born here.
Paano nyo namalaya na nasa Pilipinas kayo? Anong first memory nyo? Paano kayo na nakarating dito? Kasi ayon sa records, 2001 pa lamang andito na kayo sa Pilipinas.
Opo.
So anong alaala nyo sa panahong yun? Paano kayo unang nakarating dito sa Pilipinas?
Galing China?
I'm asking you, sinasabi nyo ba sa akin, galing kayong China nung panahong iyon, 2001?
As it turns out, Sheila is not related to Alice by blood. She said Alice's father, Zhan Zhongguo, was only her foster father in the Philippines. Sheila's real mother is still in China. Senators also sought more clarity on why they came to the Philippines as a family, but didn't get much.
Bakit kayo pumunta dito sa Pilipinas?
Sabi kasi ni Daddy, tulungan ko raw siya na business niya.
Si Guo Jiangjong, your father, involved ba siya sa Pogo?
Hindi po.
Si Alice Go,
Wala rin po.
hindi siya involved o hindi mo alam?
Hindi ko alam.
Hindi mo alam kung involved siya.
As the Senate continues its questioning, Sheila Go will remain in detention there to ensure her attendance in the next hearings. For News 5, Ria Fernandez, We Are One News.